Coffee V3 are all part of packaging machine from Shanghai FUBO packaging machinery. The display screen font is clear, the operation is responsive, and the control content can be set according to need. And there are two operation interfaces in English and Chinese. The system setting can ensure that the film drawing speed is consistent with the packaging speed. The production date is printed with a clear barcode and the date is accurate. And the coding position can be adjusted freely. The feeding screw rotates at a constant speed to ensure that the amount of coffee powder entering the packaging bag is even. The unloading equipment movement speed is the same as the packaging speed, and the Equipment Protection Organization prevents powder waste. The bag seal speed can be set in advance and maintained at 30 to 35 times per minute. After the bag seal, the lower part of the package is sealed and the coffee powder is ready to enter the packaging bag. After the coffee powder enters the bag, start sealing the opening at the top of the bag. Finally, the packaging bags are divided by a cutting knife, and the bag shape is customized by a special mold. Such a bag seal coffee packaging bag is completed. Let's take a look at the final product.